It's a funny looking dog.
I need big poo bags.
GoPro, stop recording.
Hey yo, troop level up.
What's up, Wooly man? I see
All these fly hoes out here. I think we're gonna have to do something serious.
To the right, all I'm seeing is everywhere. Yeah, from the inner city streets to the beaches. Juicy, voluptuous, and filled with sweetness. Teens to teachers to wives of preachers. I think I'm about to do a thesis. Now everything is peachy keen as I troop into the scene. Big gleaming with a split in between. Just to get the green flowing so the party gets going. Summertime on planet Earth and the beaches is glowing. Right for the picking and the poking and the licking. No joking, 8 million different women to witness. What? From big and delicious down to sweet and petite. And plus they all showing skin cause it's too much heat to be discreet today. Yeah, bright ethnic women with vibrant features. The quantity and quality would leave you speechless. From Christian girls down to gold digging beaches. I seen a couple staring at me while I'm airing my speech. The BL crew had just rocked the set. I exited stage left and heard I'm on the dance floor doing shit nobody seen yet. And when I went to get a drink, I heard I'm getting rhythm today. I got more game than chess, cause I heard the flyest teacher saying. And some of them are down to get flesh to flesh so they can call their home girl and tell them, you know the rest. Everywhere. Yeah, from the inner city streets to the beaches. Juicy, voluptuous, and filled with sweetness. From teens to teachers to wives of preachers. I think I'm about to do a thesis. This is the swing delicious beat of the summer and the rolling in the
Not even look down deep in it.
a sipping Tanqueray in the shade with your partners. This is for the girls of summer and girl watchers.